going to this Asian food center. We just finished watching Mitchell play basketball. I'm sorry I didn't record. I had my hands full with Camille. She was really grouchy. She was tired. But Mitch did a good job, so yay, everyone clap for Mitch. Yeah. But I've never been here. We're in Shoreline. There's a Hobby Lobby here, but it's closed. Really sad. We're gonna go this week. We're eating at a restaurant at the seafood or an Asian place. And I don't really know how the food is, so we're just ordered whatever.
We got some rabbit and frog.
They have rabbit and frog.
And pig intestine.
And I was like, oh no thanks. I'll skip on the rabbit today.
And cobra.
Oh, Mitchell got a haircut. Oh, so handsome. And Camille is sleeping, so now's a good time for us to eat. We got pork.
Really?
Yeah, it's really strong.
Two?
Okay, yeah.
Let's keep it in the cold. Then we'll come back for it.
I think I got enough
Chili sauce?
Asian snacks.
Sweet chili sauce? Huh? Sorry. Huh?
You might as well get it. Get it anywhere else. We got tis, alpaca sauce, oyster sauce, chili sauce. The nice exit, the nice view of Seattle. We are on our way to West Seattle, or are we in West Seattle already? And we went to, the Asian market, and I got these candy because this reminds me of my childhood. Do you guys remember Hall Flakes? These are like, I don't even know what they're made of. They're made of Hall, which I don't even know what Hall is. But they're just like really sugary, and they're little flakes. And then I remember the wrappers. These still look like fireworks.
Can you stop?
Looks like a boy.
Yep, California.
Well, I always thought I would be living in California. But we're in Washington. Remember? We're over here.
Babe, go down there. Just sit down. Oh, shit.
Baby, get over your phone. Baby, get away from there. You. Hello. Can you listen to me? Get away from there. Oh,
What happened?
you're on the rod.
Shark. I don't know, dark water like creeps me out, so I can't even like look at it. So if it's clear water?
Yeah, it'll be fine. But dark water like creeps me out. Look at that. Ugh, scary. I'm wearing a this jacket. It's pretty cold out. Couldn't get us all. Thumbnail picture. I'm trying to get a picture thumbnail. Can you? Smile. So we're home. I'm about to shower, but I wanted to show you that skincare that I got yesterday. So I did try these two. Well, these two are together. I did try these. I thought this was a moisturizer at first, but it's a cleanser. So I didn't use it last night. I'm going to use it now. And I did use the scrub. The scrub is really nice. It does keep your face really soft after. Yeah, and it's not too abrasive, and it dissolves into a nice smooth consistency when you rinse it, so I'm happy with that. I want to show you how this works. So you open this, and it's filled with all the cleansing rounds, and then you're supposed to pour all of this liquid in there so they're all saturated, but I haven't done it. I don't like it. I don't know. I don't like pouring the whole thing in here. I think I just take this and I just go like that and put some on there, but this is really strong, but because it does have salicylic acid in there, but yeah, it's kind of perfect because I do want to use it to kind of clear up some of my skin. So that's that. So that is about it. We'll see you guys in our next vlog.